Hi, welcome to the course AI Agents for Everyone. Learn, build and automate with n8n. Today AI is everywhere. Businesses use it to save time, answer customer questions and even make phone calls. But the best part is you do not need to be a coder or a tech expert to build your own AI agents. In this course, I will guide you step by step on how to create AI agents, set up automations, and even build voice AI agents all using n8n, a tool that makes things simple and visual. We will start with the basics, what an AI agent is, how it's different from normal automation, and where it's used in real life. Then we will move into hands-on projects. You will learn how to install and run n8n on AWS platform, n8n installation with HTTPS on your own domain step by step. Then we will build 4 main projects in this course. Project number 1, an AI agent with memory and tools that can think and respond smarter. Project number 2, automating form submissions so that data flows directly into Google Sheets and Gmail. Project number 3, a weather report automation that uses triggers, API requests and emails to deliver updates. Project number 4, an AI voice agent for appointment reminders powered by Twilio and Retell AI. By the end of this course, you will not only understand AI agents, but you will also have built real projects that can be applied to businesses, freelance work, or personal use. So if you are curious about AI and want to learn by building practical projects without coding, this course is perfect for you. Let's dive in and get started. Thank you.